Welcome to Soul Petals. I'm your host Sukhwinder. Healing is such an important part in our lives, and most of our issues crop up because somewhere things related to us are not healed. It could be thoughts, emotions, body, or experiences. And holistic healing can be achieved only when all these aspects concerning your life are healed. Let me take you through a journey on how to heal yourself by talking to your body. Whenever life takes a difficult turn, we begin complaining. But take it from my experience, whatever has happened or happening is the right thing for you. Many a times we do not accept and fail to understand the cues given to us by the universe. We crib, complain, and go back to living the way we want to. But then, suddenly we get a jolt and everything goes topsy-turvy. We look around and ask, what happened? Why it happened? And now what? When things do not work just right the way we want, it means there's a learning for us, which we have ignored for long. So look within and connect your chords with the universe, for it wants you to learn a few lessons. Learn those lessons, refine and transform yourself, and move on. With time, we often realize certain things, and these are when we began speeding up, at times looking at others, their speed, we too wanted to speed up. We wanted to be there before anybody could reach. We wanted to have that sense of achievement at all costs. We wanted to put ourselves on a pedestal always. However, in this journey, we forget the call of our body. There is therefore a need to slow down. When your mind wants to speed up, the body wants to slow down. We seldom listen to our bodies because we are on a mission to be somewhere high. For us, ignoring our bodies and listening to mind becomes important, and a time comes when the body begins giving up. Mind is willing, but body isn't cooperating. What a situation that would be. Just imagine. Therefore, it is important to slow down and listen to your body, lest you will have to face the repercussions. So, what does your body say? Maybe your body needs healing. Every part of our body is a living entity, be it different organs or the smallest of cells. Each cell and organ has a consciousness of its own, and thus human body has immense healing capacity, which most of us are not aware about. This awareness dawned upon me when I read Louise Hay's You Can Heal Your Life, a book which completely changed my perception of how I looked at my body, how body can heal itself, and most importantly, how your thoughts and emotions are connected to your body and result in dis-ease. Your body listens to you all the time, hence it's important what you speak to your body, what words you utter, and what emotions you express. The body absorbs it all and starts changing and behaving accordingly. Now, what are the techniques that could be followed by one to heal one's body? To make your body listen to you, certain techniques have proved powerful in my case. Firstly, affirmations. Ever since I began affirming, I have got rid of my ailments and physical issues. In my affirmations, I repeatedly said, I am a powerful and pure soul. My body is perfect, healthy, energetic, and beautiful. I enjoy abundance of good health. Besides affirmations, one could also follow meditation. Meditation is a powerful way by which you can engage with your body. Energy blockages could be removed and dissolved, and the brain can be trained to enter a phase of alpha and theta brainwave, which is essential to communicate between the conscious mind and your body. While communicating to your body in this meditative state, you could follow these steps. Number 1, see your body with lot of compassion, as it is made up of cells which are sensitive and can feel emotions. Second, engage your body in conversation about your intention to cooperate with you in the healing process. Third, use positive words and conversation while speaking to your body and express positive emotions in the process. Besides, there's another tool which could help you, which is mental imagery, the power of visualizing something and manifesting has been a proven technique. When you are in conversation with your body, picture yourself as a strong, healthy and energetic being. If you wish to heal your cells or any particular organ, picture that organ as rejuvenated with new energy and life force. Mental imagery coupled with emotions for your body is very powerful in healing any part of your body. Next is you need to align your chakra and cleanse your chakra. Most of the times our chakras are blocked, and that's when we have problems. Most of our illnesses and ailments are due to these blocked chakras, where there is no free flow of energy. Energy gets stuck, or these chakras get filled with negative energy which needs a release. So here chakra alignment and cleansing becomes very essential. So while talking to your body, you could cleanse each chakra and align them through consciously cleaning your energy centers. This will dramatically enhance your energy and your body will witness healing. So these were the techniques or tools by which one could talk to one's body and experience self-healing. I'm sure you liked it, and that's all for today. Till we meet next, it's bye-bye.